In this video, I will show you how to instantly create QR codes for your Google Forms. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Forms on your device. And then in here, go ahead and select the template or create a form. So you can go ahead and select from the available templates. So I'll simply select a template from this available templates and then click on that. And then once you're into the form section, you'll be able to find a publish button at the top right corner of your screen. So simply publish your form to be able to get the link to answer this form. So you need to publish the form and then click on that publish button again at the top right of your screen to be able to copy the responder link. So click on that copy responder link and then shorten your URL and then click on copy to copy this and then head over into the QR code generator application that you want to use. So I'll simply use Adobe Express. So on Adobe Express, simply head over into the quick editing tools section and then in here you'll be able to find this option to generate QR code. So in here you'll need to place the QR code under the enter or paste URL section, and then under that you'll be able to choose a color for your QR code, select a style for the dots, marker border, and marker center, and you can also select from the available templates once you scroll down, which will allow you to easily create a banner for this QR codes. For example, you want to post this on different social media platforms to get answers for your QR code. So you can simply select from this templates and then this will redirect you into the editor page where you can tailor fit your banner furthermore. And that's basically how you can instantly create QR codes for your Google Forms.